The drone is right in front of me. It's following me. This is so cool. Vivitar have been innovators in that optics technology space since 1938. And they have brought to us one of the coolest, most, I think, impactful technology type drones that I have seen. This is going to be giving you 1080p video and 4K photo. So it's a drone that's going to do both. But this is not like other drones. You're getting a lot of airtime for recording those videos. Maybe it's, you know, those family events where you can't get the whole group together, right? Maybe you're a real estate agent and you want to get those beautiful shots, or maybe you are just a budding influencer and you want someone to follow you around like the paparazzi. This is going to be the way to do it. I was already saying, maybe I need one of these, right? Okay, I want to let you all know we have fewer than how many? 300 left? We have fewer than 300 available because this has been on fire. Original price $200. You're getting this home for, on the birthday price, under $120 or $40 on the flex pay, free shipping and handling. Now you're probably wondering, how is this drone doing this by itself? It's not. Stephanie McKee is with me, everyone. She's out here flying the drone.
I'm operating it from my remote here.
This is so cool.
It has been really the hype of the studio over the past few days. So we premiered this for the first time on HSN just a week ago. It completely sold out. Let me get it out from in front of my face. It completely sold out because, of course, it's just so cool. It's a great price point. It comes to you from Vivitar. We have been a leader in optic technology since 1938, and we are actually the world's #1 supplier of camera and camcorders. So I'm going to show you, let's see if we can get the shot of the camera in the front of this drone, where those lights are, just below the lights. That's an HD camera. And I can actually tilt it up and down. This is a great new way to get,
look at this.
You see the little camera moving up and down?
If you're at home right now, look at your screen, look at the camera right on the front. It is moving up and down. That is how you're capturing those amazing shots.
Yes, and you can see on my monitor, I'm gonna spin the camera around so it sees Su Ming and I. Not only is this gonna record your friends and family in a cool new way, maybe some aerial photography and videography, but this is a very, I'm moving it out of the shot. This is a very rare thing to see with drones at this price point. You're getting the extra monitor. You're not having to rely on your phone to be the monitor, which a lot of other drones do. So let me show you how this works, because you might be wondering, I'm not very techy. When I get this home, will I be able to use it? So I grounded it by pressing an automatic landing button. So I didn't really have to do anything but press a button to land it. So here's how you set it up. When you get it home, you're going to pop the external monitor on the remote. In the remote, you're going to put 3 AAA batteries. You're going to power up the monitor with a USB-C cord that we give you, so that is forever rechargeable. And then there's this battery that goes in the drone. Mine is in the back there, and you charge that up with your USB-C cord as well. So that is also forever rechargeable. So when you power on the remote and then the drone right here, they will automatically connect. The only task that you have to do when you power them on is calibrate it. So there's a button right here that you press, and you spin the drone horizontal over the ground and vertical over the ground, and that helps the drone's sensors know where it is in space. And then you're ready to fly, and that's the automatic takeoff and landing button, and then you have your joystick. So this is how you can go up and down. This has a 500-foot range, which I don't know if 500 feet seems like a lot to you, but when you send your drone 500 feet up in the air over all of the trees and the buildings and your home, you're going to be absolutely amazed at that long range of 500 feet. So it has a lot of extra features in the app, but you don't have to use the app. It's called LW Pro. It's a free app, no subscriptions ever. But if you want a second monitor in addition to the one that you get with the drone, you could actually see what your drone is seeing from 2 different monitors. Now, a huge thing that's important to know is that this drone comes with a 16-gigabyte micro SD card pre-installed in the drone. That means when you press the button on the remote that is to capture photo and video, it saves it to the micro SD card that's in the drone. So you take the SD card out, you put it in your computer, and then all of a sudden, all of that amazing footage that you got of the friend's birthday party, the wedding, the family reunion, the vacation, maybe a hike that you took, all of that footage can go on your computer, on your phone and then on social media. So all of your friends and family are going to be astounded at the footage you get. You're going to get the most enviable footage of your vacation with this drone. Drone technology has come a long way in recent years, so these are now easier to use than ever. Sorry, I'm like moving it up and down just to show how easy it is to maneuver. But they're smoother than ever. They're more affordable than ever. So now it's not just for someone who's super techie. It's for someone who just wants great photo and video of friends and family, and it's affordable enough maybe to gift to a young person in your life or to a friend or family member who's interested in a new hobby.
Listen, my son last night when I was looking at this, right, because, you know, we prepare, meaning like sometimes we like to see what we see our items before we come out, but this is my first time seeing it in person. He's 10 now, and he was like, oh my gosh, Mom, I want one of the drones. I'm like, what are you going to do? And he's like, oh, I want to take pictures, right? Yeah. This is for all ages, and it is for 9 and up, but I want you to think about this right now. Have you had those family gatherings where you've had to put a camera on something and then you haven't been able to get that shot? Maybe you're on that vacation, you're walking along the beach, and you would love to get that sweeping shot, right? You can become your own videographer now. Oh my gosh, look at us. Oh, what? I mean,
the drone is seeing us.
Maybe it's a party, right?
Just any party, assuming any party. Could you imagine how much fun this would be?
This is like your secret spy at the party to see what's going on. I want to let you all know we have less than 250 available. Hey. This sold out. Stephanie was able to get a few back in, but we don't know when and if we will see this again. And when we do, we don't believe it will be at this birthday price. It is under $120. If you were to look up something with this type of technology, all of the features, the additional screen that you're getting, you're looking at $1,000. We are getting this to you on a birthday price for $40. You have 30 days. Get it home, try it out. Do you know someone in real estate? That's all they do now. They take those aerial photos, right? I have a friend of mine back in Florida who actually takes pictures with their drone and then they print them and put them on canvases as gifts. Think about giving the most beautiful gift if you are going to a different location. I know my uncle's taking us to Hawaii in September.
Ooh, fun.
I would love to have this walking along the beach. Can you imagine going through like the mountains and all of the scenery there?
The epicness of those shots.
Yes.
Like I'm just picturing the sweeping mountain. You cannot get photo and video like that any other way. You have to have a drone. I guess you could get in a very dangerous helicopter.
No, we are not doing that.
It's probably a lot more expensive too.
We are not doing that. Now, Stephanie, I do have a question for you though, because I heard something about like you have to have a license for a drone. What does that mean?
The Federal Aviation Administration requires that drones that are 0.55 pounds and up be registered. Okay. This drone weighs 0.28 pounds, so you do not have to register this one.
Okay, so we can use this without worrying about registering it or anything.
Just for fun, yep. Take it outside when you set it up for the first time. Take it outside and calibrate it. That's going to be the best environment for the first time you set it up. But unlike a lot of other drones, this isn't only for outside. You can use it indoors as well, which is why we have it here in the studio, flying nice and smooth.
This is amazing. The footprint is really small too, and this like packs a punch, but it is not big.
Here's our case.
I was gonna say, I was gonna grab this one, but just holding it, I see the lightweightness of this.
Yep.
You can see the size of my hand versus the drone. This is an amazing technology in a small footprint. So when you get this home too, you're going to be astonished at what it can do. And what 4K and 1080p, that is really high quality imagery.
That's right. The video is 1080p and the photo is 4K. Like I said, you've got a 16 gigabyte micro SD card built into the drone when you get it home. That's 10 hours of video.
Oh, wow.
And there's a button on the remote. Actually, it's on the monitor and the remote where you can take a photo and capture video as well. And it's going to capture on that SD card. Then honestly, this is the most fun part of it, is moving those files from the card to the bigger screen and seeing everything you captured. Maybe it's the roof of your house, you're just checking it out if you're a homeowner. Maybe it's your neighborhood, or if you're a nature lover, maybe you went to a nature preserve and got to see it from a different perspective that you've never been able to see it from before. When you move those photos and videos onto your computer, onto your phone, you're going to be absolutely giddy. I know when I first loaded them up, I was like, Wow, this is very impressive to get all this photo.
It's blinking at us. What does that
Yes.
mean?
Okay, so this has a 17-minute battery life on the drone with all that photo and video. This is standard for most drones, especially at such an affordable price point. So it'll let you know when the battery is close to dying. Then you can press that automatic land button. There's also like a home button, so no matter where it is in the sky, it will automatically come back to you, and you can charge up the battery again. We give you that USB-C charge, and you are off having fun again. If you want to learn a new hobby, this is going to be such an exciting one. If you have a young person in your life and, you know, it's late summer, they're maybe not as interested in the things they were interested in at the beginning of the summer, this is going to keep them entertained and occupied for days, weeks, months, years to come. And there's no added expense. It's completely self-contained. Once you buy it once, you're never paying anything extra. You just have all of that great entertainment and an interest in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math.
Look at this, though. This is so cool. I want you to be able to see this, and I know you can almost lose sight of it on your screen. So take a look at your screen right now. You're seeing it just hovering in front of this. It was recording me earlier. I had no idea. I felt like I was in like a Terminator movie or something. It was so cool because it's right there. And this is something that you can learn. It can be your companion too with you. Think about, do you love nature? Are you someone who always wants to capture those nature shots? Do you have a budding photographer in your home, in your life? Anyone who does real estate, anyone who just wants to take better pictures, better video, or, you know, I know Ty probably would use it on the running trail to follow him as he does his runs.
There's a follow me
you know
mode.
what I mean, right?
And this is so cool because when I replaced the battery, the monitor that it came with, it stopped because the battery was out, and guess what picked it back up? My phone.
Oh,
so you actually have the chance, I've got the drone's camera pointed at us. Of course, we're viewing it in live time. If you have multiple kids in your family, this is a unique drone because you can have 2 monitors at once. You can power the one on that comes with it. You're not paying extra for that. And you can have the app open on your phone like I have here. So multiple kids can enjoy what the drone is seeing, and then press the capture button, and you're recording photo and video up to 10 hours on that SD card. It is such a great value for everything you're getting. Like you said, Suming, I remember when drones like this first became available to consumers, they were at that $1,000 price point.
At a minimum. I want you to think of this. Do you have someone who's having a wedding coming up? Are you doing a bridal shower? Are you doing maybe a baby shower? Imagine having those shots of everyone together outside. Maybe a wedding. Imagine them all coming out of the venue, right? You get these sweeping shots. That's something that you would have to pay photographers thousands of dollars for. And what are they using, Stephanie? A drone. That is what they are using. I want to remind you all this price will go up, but I don't think we are going to have any at the end of the day. Can we get an update, Megan, on how many we have left? Okay, so we're getting down to about 220 available, and that is it. They're going to be gone after this. Do you have someone who has a birthday coming up? This would be a great gift for you. $40 gets it home, free shipping and handling. But I also, think it's not too early to think about that gift closet. We know things are just getting more expensive. That's on a daily, right? Whether you go to the store, grocery store to buy groceries, Stephanie, everything's getting more expensive. I would say to be able to lock this in now, get this as a gift for someone if they want to do photography, maybe they love technology. This would be awesome if they love nature. I think this is just a great gift. You don't have to know anyone's size for this. It's just something cool.
It's for guys and girls, age 9 to 99. Anyone can find a lot of joy and excitement in this. You're going to be very proud of yourself and feel accomplished when you learn the skill of being able to operate a drone. But for young people, of course, I have to speak to that because I was in the public school classroom as a teacher for 8 years. And this is exactly the kind of activity I want young people to have access to because it's science, technology, engineering, and math. It's 21st century skills, and it's getting them up off the couch, off the internet, which I know a lot of you parents and grandparents worry about. What is my kid watching online? Do I really know? Well, this drone is not connected to Wi-Fi. It's self-contained. It's a fun activity that is active play, not passive play, like sitting and watching a show. It is such a great gift for anyone, any age, but especially a young person whose brain is growing and they're learning new things about robotics. This is just such a cool thing to be able able to get for around $100.
Yeah, I mean, incredible price here, incredible technology. Just as a reminder, Vivitar, you know the name. They've been around since 1938. They are pioneers in the optics technology space.
Yes.
And I believe you had even said #1 supplier for cameras, camcorders. So they know a thing or two about that. The fact that you are getting that 4K quality photos, you are getting, of course, that 1080p when it comes to that video as well. That is incredible for the price. This is like small, but it's going to pack a punch when it comes to the quality that you're getting.
So it's super durable as well. If you are getting this for someone who's like, maybe it's you, where you're like, I'm not very techie, but this seems so fun, I want to learn it. Ooh, let me press my B-roll video again. I had so much fun going to the nature preserve and like filming all the trees and the old buildings. But if you're not techie and you're like, what if I crash it?
Yeah.
It is so durable. I have crashed this accidentally into a brick wall, and it is fine. We give you the extra propeller blades if you ever need to replace them, but a few crashes and mine are just fine.
Remember, you have 30 days. Get this home, try it out, whether a gift for yourself, gift for somebody in your family, whether you're a budding photographer, maybe you want to take up your social media game to the next level.
Yeah.
This is going to be like your own personal paparazzi. It's what I need to get mine for, so it can follow me around and help me do my social media. 894-766 is the item number. Stephanie, thank you for bringing us such cool, innovative products. I love this, and this is so easy to use. I told you Landon wants one, so
yes,
maybe I'm gonna borrow his. We'll see if he lets me. All right, grab yours. 894-766 is the item number. All right, now I do want to remind you all, Andrew Lessman, we have some incredible deals for birthday month with him as well. The circulation and vein support for healthy legs, feet, and calves is currently on a great price. You can get them in 30